Hello and welcome to another Monkey Makes 3D modelling tutorial in Blender. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, because it helps the channel pop up in the searches. And here we go. Okay, so let's add some wheel arches here. Need the and the tire, I guess. Just turn off the mirror. I don't need mirrors on at the moment. And turn off the sub D as well. Right, nice and simple. At this edge. Right, so we'll have to pull the wheel arch back far enough. There has to be like a suspension arm in here as well. Not that we're going to be putting it in. You can if you want. We'll see. Been on nearly 60 videos now. I think I might leave that to you guys. Right, so extrude X. Enough space there for use a spring. An active element, scale X 0. What? Oh. So just undo that. Right, so scale X 0. Right, we need to fill this in, so I'll tell you what, I will on that, put one of them. So, these aren't ideally done, I suppose, but never mind. F, that one, F, F, F. F. That looks like auto smooth's not on. No Q. Right, use that, clear the wheel, I'll tell you at least. And let's, oh, while we're there, might as well put that mirror back on. And that mirror back. These. Disable sub D again. These. Okay, see them again. Oh, look. That's going to collide with that tire, isn't it? Yep. Extrude X. Leave enough space. Probably leaf springs there, isn't it? But even so. Scale X 0. Add it into in edge mode. F. Fill off a face. One too many. By the way, making music. Was. I'm going to remove that. Because we will start pulling. Do we reattach the doors and just create a panel line, or don't we? No maintenance of the doors open, sorry. Nearly 60 videos already. It's just the exterior. Silver. Over here. And it then to again. Drop one on them. Matrix. And it didn't work, so add their control extrude to that one. Yep. All merge by distance. Right, so we need to create an extra piece in here, so we'll do a control R, E, F, slide that over there, or the go. Bring that in there just to clear that. Tell you what, put a 1 on them also. Right, both them selected then. Control B. Oops. 1. Leave that crease in there. I just Control Z by accident. B. I didn't want them to have a crease on. That's where I moved it. Right, 3. I need these. Right, if I just move these up. 2. Pull these out just a little bit. Good. Using the data still. There we go. Right, so now extrude X. No, Control Z, sorry. What I want is these bits here. Extrude X into the center. Put a crease on there as well. Oh, that's not actually that one. Right, what I want to do though is I want to bring this down slightly. Yeah, there like that. Whoa, why can't I box select? W. There we go. Right. Point being, I only want to bring that down a little bit. So bring it in the front. Just actually the door. And the rear. Right, seal it with this. Oop. Good. And do that there. All merge by distance. So with these two selected. One on that one as well. One in there. That'll do. Inside. Snap that in there. Oop, missed. We'll continue that shape around there. Here we go. Go. Wheel arches. Lovely. Right, what shall we do next? Put some windows in. No, these need holes in, possibly these I think do also, and in here you kind of need fitments in there. They want much do Control Z there. Press. Catch you in the next one.